Hello everyone, welcome to Creator Girl. In this video, I will show you how to open an Adobe Stock Contributor account step by step in the same video. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, you need to select a browser. I select Microsoft Edge. Then go to the search bar and search Adobe Stock Contributor. You need something. At first, you need to set up your email. Okay, you need a valid email address. Okay, then you can see contributor.stock.adobe.com. Click the website and then you can see this page. Here is join now button and also sign in button. So we need to click join now. So when you click it, you need to sign in. So you can enter your email address and password from here. Then you can directly log in with your mail here. So we directly log in. This ID is your official access to Contributor portal. Once you are signed in, Adobe will ask you to accept their Contributor terms and condition. You must accept these to continue. Read carefully and agree to process. Now you can see there is a date of birth, month, and a year. We need to input here. And then we need to check our country. If it's another selected, then you need to select exact country. Then you can hit the contact me via email. I'm not pressing this because I don't need. And then click create account. And here you can also do one thing, that is create a girl. You can change your name from here. And then congratulations, your account is created. Then you can see you need to complete your profile. So click complete profile. Once you click it, then you can see here is the full name, your country, and some basic information. So we need to input basic information. Click the pencil button and input the all address from here, zip code, postal code, city, and others. Then click the save changes button. In the next, you can see there is tax information. Now Adobe will ask you some W8 band tax form, which is very important for international contributors. But don't worry, if I explain that here, the video will get longer. So I have made a separate video for this. And then this is the dashboard access. Once everything is submitted, you will land on the dashboard access. From here, you can upload your photos, pictures, or videos. You will also see your stage, sales, and account balance. Now we go our account section, edit profile section. Then here you can see all information. You can change your profile picture. You can change your name. You can set your company name from here. And you can enter your mobile phone and you can add a secondary mail. So that's it. Your account is created successfully. So here is some important tips. So always submit high quality content and original content. Add clear titles and keywords in English. And images should be in JPG, vectors in AI, and videos in MP4 format. Adobe reviews submissions within 2 to 7 business days. And don't forget to add model or property releases if required. That's it. You have successfully opened your Adobe Stock Contributor account. In the next video, I will show you how to fill out the W8 band text form step by step. If you found this video is so helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Creator Girl for more tutorials. And drop your questions in the comment, and I will happy to help. See you in the next video.